Meet a sweet pair, Paul Robertson and his cat Percy, who love each other more than anything. Paul is a truck driver and an animal lover who loves what he does, even though it can get lonely on the long road. Therefore, a few years ago, he decided to adopt a cat named Howie to become his companion on the road. Sadly, Howie left this world in 2017, and Robertson experienced one of the biggest scares of his life. Day by day, he knew it was time to fill that void in his broken heart, so he went to an animal shelter to find his new companion. He decided to choose the shelter because he wanted to give another stray cat a good home. At the shelter, he met Percy, a ginger stray cat on the streets. Due to a few fights on the streets, Percy had an injury above his right eye and missed one of his canine